2 years ago, Melanie was making $4,500 a month from her low-carb food blog. She had 180,000 page views. She was making money through ad revenue and her traffic was growing. She was living the blogger dream. Then Google updates hit, followed by AI. Her traffic dropped 72%. Her ad revenue fell to $700 a month. Today, Melanie has made a huge pivot and she is currently making $12,500 a month selling digital products and services. And she did it in about 90 days. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, a platform that helps creators like you sell digital products without complicated tech. You can sell things like coaching and workshops and digital downloads, memberships, and all these products I'm about to share with you. So almost a year ago, Melanie reached out to me completely devastated. She'd been running her low-carb food blog for about 7 years. Her traffic dropped from 180,000 page views to 50,000 page views in a matter of months. And she tried everything to recover her traffic, but nothing worked. So here's what she told me. She's like, Jillian, I have a master's degree in nutrition. I have helped hundreds of people manage their diabetes. I have 5,800 people on my email list, but I am making $700 a month now. My expertise feels worthless. And I said, no, Melanie, your expertise, it's not worthless. You're just giving it away for free. Now, before we continue, please hit that like button and subscribe for weekly strategies to build your profitable online business in 2026. So here's what Melanie realized. She had a business model problem, not a traffic problem. So the old model is you write free recipes, you get traffic, you show ads, and that's how you monetize. However, the new model today is you use your expertise to help people directly and you charge what you're worth. Melanie, she already had everything she needed to pivot her business. She had expertise, remember, she's a registered dietitian, she had an audience, 5,800 email subscribers, and she had credibility because she had 7 years of content. So here's what she did week by week. So the first week, she offered personalized low-carb meal planning and coaching sessions for people with diabetes. And she charged $197 per session. And right at the beginning, she booked 6 sessions. Whoa, that's over $1,000 right there. Now, those 6 clients asked her the same questions. And she said, so hundreds more probably need this, but they don't necessarily all need my one-on-one coaching help, but they need my strategy. So by about week 5, she set up a live workshop. She created a 90-minute Zoom workshop called Blood Sugar Breakthrough, and she charged $97. She used, of course, ChatGPT to build out her outline. She did it quickly. She delivered it live with real client examples, and 28 people, guess what? They signed up. So that's close to $3,000 right there. But she also did something smart. She added an upsell. On the thank you page, when somebody purchased, she right there offered a 30-day low-carb meal plan bundle for $47, and boom, 12 people bought it. So that was an additional $564. So from her workshop, she made close to $3,300. And next, she launched a low-carb meal plan club, a membership. And she offered these members weekly meal plans with shopping lists, a growing recipe library, monthly live Q&A. That's important because she was showing up for her members. And she put it all in a private Facebook group. And when she offered it initially, she offered it at a founding price, and 22 people joined. So after about 90 days, her income from her coaching, her workshop with the upsell, and her membership totaled $6,500 a month. And that is more than her original $4,500 a month she was making with ads. And then 10 months later, after really focusing on growing her membership, she's got over 100 members now. This is where she is making that $12,500. So going from $700 to $12,500, it's her same expertise, her same email list, just a different model. So for you, I recommend you start by offering one-on-one coaching. You might need to test a couple of concepts because you want to validate what people are willing to buy from you. Then when you find that, turn it into a live workshop, add a low ticket upsell, because 40 to 50% of your customers will buy it. Then see if you can launch a membership, because this is where that recurring revenue comes in that compounds over time. Now, Melanie was able to move fast because she used MiloTree. So we offer paid plans starting at $19 a month, and you can sell unlimited products. She could test multiple product ideas quickly, set up sales pages in about 10 minutes with AI, add those upsells with just one click, and launch her membership without any sort of complicated tech. In fact, after she signed up for MiloTree, she launched her first product, no joke, in about 48 hours. And that's the difference between $700 a month and $12,500 a month. Speed matters. The faster you test, the faster you find what works. And Melanie currently has 4 freebie lead magnets set up in MiloTree and grows her email list using them by about 400 subscribers per month. Now, if you're watching your own ad revenue disappear, if Google has crushed your traffic, your work isn't worthless. You have expertise. You probably have an audience, so stop giving your content away for free. Try MiloTree. The link is in the description below. Melanie started with our free plan, then upgraded to our Grow plan because she didn't wait. That's why she was making so much money so quickly. Now, your journey selling digital products and services will look different. That's why I have a free AI prompt. You'll find it again in the description below to help you find your one gold mine product. This is what you can build your entire business off of. And watch my next video where I walk you step by step through how to use this prompt to build your 6-figure business. So your expertise is valuable. Start charging for it. Let's go.